BMW Motorrad has launched the BS6 compliant version of its entry-level offerings, the G310R and G310GS motorcycles in the Indian market. The new BMW G310R and G310GS BS6 motorcycles are priced at Rs 2.45 lakh and Rs 2.85 lakh respectively. Both prices are ex-showroom India. Bookings for both the BS6 compliant motorcycles have begun across the country, with the deliveries set to begin soon. The new BMW G310R and G310GS BS6 models comes with a number of cosmetic updates along with a few added features as well, which combined with the slightly lower price tag compared to its older BS4 versions, definitely makes it a more attractive offering in the segment. Some of the added features on the BS6 iterations include new LED headlamp units, LED turn signals and LED tail lights. Both motorcycles also comes with new body graphics and slightly revised body panels as well. The motorcycle also comes with a new set of paint schemes as well, making the motorcycles more attractive than before. The BMW G310R and G310GS now come powered by a BS6 compliant version of the same 312cc single-cylinder water-cooled engine. It produces 34 bhp at 9,500 rpm and 28 Nm of torque at 7,500 rpm and is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The brand claims that the motorcycles are capable of accelerating 0 to 50 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds while reaching a top speed of 143 km per hour. BMW Motorrad has also offered both G310R and G310GS with ride-by-wire technology along with other features such as slipper clutch and dual-channel ABS. Both motorcycles also use golden USD forks at the front and an aluminium swing arm suspension setup at the rear. Braking is handled by disc at both ends. The BMW G310R rivals the likes of the KTM Duke 390, Bajaj Dominar 400 and the TVS Apache RR310, while the G310GS takes on the KTM 390 Adventure and the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Isuzu Motors India have launched the BS6 compliant versions of their D-Max and S-Cap commercial vehicles in the Indian market. The new Isuzu D-Max and S-Cap BS6 commercial vehicles are offered with starting price of Rs 7.84 lakh and Rs 9.82 lakh respectively. Both prices are introductory and ex-showroom Mumbai. Bookings for both the Isuzu D-Max and S-Cap vehicles are now open. Interested customers can book the vehicles either online or at any of the brand's dealerships across the country. Deliveries for the same are set to begin shortly. The Isuzu D-Max BS6 model is offered in a range of 3 variants in the Indian market: D-Max Cap Chassis, D-Max and D-Max Super Strong. The top spec Super Strong variant comes with a price tag of Rs 8.38 lakh ex-showroom Mumbai. This range-topping model also offers the highest payload capacity of 1710 kg, that is 1.7 tons, while the mid-spec trim is capable of carrying a payload of 1240 kg. Similarly, the Isuzu S-Cap BS6 model is offered in a range of 2 variants, Standard and High Ride. The Isuzu S-Cap Standard BS6 model is priced at Rs 9.82 lakh, while the range-topping High Ride trim comes with a price tag of Rs 10.07 lakh, both ex-showroom Mumbai. Both models come with a host of subtle updates to its design along with added features and equipment on the inside and out. Some of the features on offer on both vehicles include power steering with tilt adjustment, new instrument cluster with MID screen, fabric seat upholstery and molded roof lining, central locking and seat belt height adjuster. The new BS6 Isuzu models also feature a host of safety features as well. Some of these include hydraulic brakes with large booster, brake override system, rear parking assist system, door side intrusion beams, day-night IRVMs, steel skid plates, warning lights and buzzers, among others. Both the Isuzu D-Max and the S-Cap commercial vehicles are powered by the same 2.5-litre 4-cylinder common rail intercooled diesel engine. It produces 78 bhp at 3,800 rpm and 176 Nm of peak torque at 1,500 rpm and is mated to a standard 5-speed manual gearbox. Isuzu has finally introduced their BS6 compliant commercial vehicles in the Indian market. With the D-Max and S-Cross offerings, both models were initially supposed to go on sale earlier this year, however, were delayed due to pandemic. Hero MotoCorp has launched the all-new Maestro Edge 125 Stealth scooter in India. The Hero Maestro Edge 125 Stealth will be available at Rs 72,950 ex-showroom Delhi and will be the latest addition to the company's premium scooter portfolio. The company launched the Maestro Edge 125 BS6 earlier this year with a fuel injection system that makes it BS6 compliant. However, this new Maestro Edge 125 Stealth will feature parametric patterns, superior material finish, premium stealth crest badging, carbon fiber textured stripes, white accents, and tone-on-tone stripes sharp accents. The scooter will be available in an exclusive matte grey paint job. The scooter features an external fuel filler cap, a semi-digital instrument cluster, and side stand and service indicators. It also comes equipped with the i3S Hero Start-Stop technology and an under-seat USB port that allows for riders to charge their smartphones while on the move. The Maestro Edge 125 Stealth remains unchanged. The scooter comes with a 124.6cc BS6 compliant programmed fuel injection engine with X-Sense technology. The unit pumps out 9 bhp of power at 7000 rpm and 10.4 Nm of peak torque at 5500 rpm. However, the older BS4 models produce 9.1 bhp and 10.2 Nm of torque. The Maestro Edge 125 Stealth features telescopic front forks and a monoshock at the rear. It also gets blacked out alloy wheels, and the braking duties are handled by a single disc at the front and a drum setup at the rear. The standard Maestro Edge 125 is a very trendy scooter and has sold in good numbers. Hyundai India has launched a new base variant of the Verna in the Indian market. The new Hyundai Verna E variant retails at Rs 9.02 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The new base variant is only offered with a petrol engine option paired to a manual transmission. The company could have launched the new base variant offering a more affordable option to sedan buyers in the Indian market. The new E-base variant is now around Rs 36,000 less than the next trim in the sedans lineup. Comparing the new base trim to the previous entry-level S-trim of the Hyundai Verna, the new trim does miss out on some features. This includes a shark fin antenna, sunglass holder, and the touchscreen infotainment system as well. As a result, the Hyundai Verna E variant is no longer offered with the sweet-sounding Arcamis sound system, steering-mounted controls, Bluetooth connectivity, and the brand's Hyundai iBlue smartphone-connected features. The 1.5-litre petrol engine produces a maximum of 114 bhp and a peak torque of 144 Nm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox as standard on the E trim. Alongside the 1.5-litre petrol unit, Hyundai continues to offer other variants of the Verna sedan with diesel and turbo petrol engine options as well. The 1.5-litre VGT diesel unit churns out 114 bhp and 250 Nm of torque, and the powerful 1.0-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol motor produces 118 bhp and 172 Nm of torque. The transmission options include a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter with a 1.5-litre diesel unit, and a 7-speed DCT gearbox with paddle shifters for the 1.0-litre turbo petrol engine to offer maximum performance. Other variants of the Hyundai Verna comes packed with features such as 8-inch touchscreen infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a new fully digital instrument cluster, new wrist-style AC vents, new Foxwood trim on the dashboard, and more. It also features the brand's latest BlueLink connected car technology, which includes features like smartwatch app link, remote vehicle start, and a host of other features. The sedan will continue to feature a wireless smartphone charging dock and sunroof, among others. The 2020 Hyundai Verna facelift is also expected to be offered in 6 exterior paint schemes. Hyundai has undercut Verna's primary rival, the 4th and the 5th generation Honda City, by launching a new base variant in the Indian market. Audi has launched a new variant of its Q8 flagship SUV called the Celebration in the Indian market. The Audi Q8 Celebration is priced at Rs 98.98 lakhs ex-showroom India and continues to come powered by the 3.0-litre TFSI engine. The new Celebration model now retails at 34.02 lakh, less than the standard Q8 technology model, which is also powered by the same engine option. Bookings for the new launched SUV are open at dealerships across the country and on the brand's online retails. The 3.0-litre TFSI engine produces a maximum of 338 bhp at a peak torque of 500 Nm. The engine comes mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to all wheels using the brand's Quattro 4-wheel drive system. The SUV accelerates from 0 to 100 km in 5.9 seconds and continues to reach an electronically limited top speed of 250 km per hour. The Audi Q8 also features a self-locking center differential to modulate power between all 4 wheels. Some of the features on the Audi Q8 Celebration model include HD Matrix LED headlamps with dynamic lighting, buttonless MMI navigation system with touch response, Audi Virtual Cockpit, and Audi smartphone interface. The flagship SUV also features Audi Phone Box Lite with wireless charging, Audi Music interface, a panoramic sunroof, Audi Presense, 8 airbags, contour ambient lighting, Audi Park Assist, among other equipment. The design of the Celebration variant remains the same as the one seen on the standard Q8 models. It continues to feature the distinctive hexagonal grille and the multi-LED tail lamps with a light bar across the length of the boot lid. It also features the same fork, 5-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels. Audi has launched a new much affordable variant of its flagship SUV model called the Q8 Celebration in India to welcome the festive season starting this month.